Hello everyone. Are you still struggling with grating cheese by hand? Then this video is exactly for you. Today we're going to explore the top 5 best cheese graters that can make your kitchen work faster, easier, and completely hassle-free. If you want perfectly grated cheese with less effort and professional quality results, then you definitely don't want to miss this list. And stay till the end because I'll also help you choose the best one based on your budget, performance, and durability. So stay tuned. Your kitchen upgrade starts right here. Product links in the description box.
Number 5. Electric Cheese Grater. Make your kitchen routine faster, easier, and more enjoyable with this powerful 250W electric cheese grater. Designed for convenience and performance, this versatile 7-in-1 appliance transforms the way you prepare ingredients for everyday meals or special occasions. Make cooking easier. Our cheese grater electric, equipped with a 250W powerful motor and one-button switch, it can meet the demand of processing a large amount of ingredients in a shorter period of time. Say goodbye to waiting and enjoy your food as soon as possible with the help of this efficient kitchen tool. 7-in-1 electric cheese grater. The electric cheese grater has 7 interchangeable stainless steel cones, including thick wire blade, slicing blade, wavy blade, and grinding blade. This electric slicer shredder allows you to coarse shred, fine grate, and create perfect slices with precision. From Parmesan for pasta to mozzarella for pizza, it replaces multiple bulky tools. Upgraded cheese shredder. Controlled by a simple one-button operation, this electric vegetable slicer easily accommodates larger ingredients like whole potatoes and cheese blocks with minimal pre-cutting, saving you time and effort. Easy to clean and detachable. All attachments are fully detachable and can be rinsed under running water for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Its compact vertical design saves valuable counter space. Widely used and space-saving, perfect for fruits, vegetables, nuts, and more, ideal for salads, pizza toppings, and party platters. Please note, comes with 24/7 customer support and a 1-year warranty for complete peace of mind. Number 4. Sankon electric cheese grater for block cheese. Upgrade your kitchen routine with a Sankon electric cheese grater, a compact yet powerful solution designed to simplify everyday food preparation. Whether you're cooking for family meals or entertaining guests, this 5-in-1 appliance delivers speed, convenience, and versatility in one sleek design. Powerful electric cheese grater for block cheese. Experience the ease of an automatic cheese grater powered by a robust 200W motor. It quickly shreds hard cheese, vegetables, and fruits, making meal prep faster and more efficient. Perfect for pizzas, pastas, salads, and more, it's a reliable upgrade from manual grating. 5-in-1 kitchen helper, slicer, shredder, and grater. More than just a cheese shredder. Electric, this multifunctional tool works as a compact electric food processor. It functions as an electric vegetable slicer, vegetable shredder, and food grater, ideal for preparing fresh salads, hash browns, coleslaw, and other dishes with ease. Effortless and safe one-touch operation. Designed for simplicity, this electric grater for kitchen use features a one-touch control system. The large feed chute reduces pre-cutting, while the non-slip base ensures safe, stable operation every time. Rinse and geo cleaning and durable design. Cleanup is quick and hassle-free with fully detachable parts that rinse easily under running water. The durable stainless steel blades ensure long-lasting performance. While you are kitchen's versatile prep companion, save time, reduce effort, and enjoy more creative cooking with this efficient electric cheese grater, perfect for busy kitchens and thoughtful gifting. Number 3. Xylus Rotary Cheese Grater. Upgrade your food preparation with the Xylus Rotary Cheese Grater, a premium kitchen tool designed for efficiency, durability, and everyday convenience. Crafted with precision and backed by Swiss design expertise, this versatile grater makes slicing, shredding, and grating faster and more enjoyable. Food grater and shredder. Includes a complete gourmet drum grater set with plunger, table clamp, 3 interchangeable drums, fine, coarse, and cutting, and a drum storage tube. The strong suction foot keeps the slicer stable on smooth surfaces, while the table clamp securely fixes the grater on rough countertops for added safety during use. Home and kitchen essential. The gourmet drum grater is a must-have kitchen companion for efficiently grating, slicing, and chopping a wide variety of ingredients including vegetables, fruits, cheese, nuts, and even chocolate. Perfect for everyday cooking or preparing special dishes with ease. Cheese grater for kitchen. Built with high-quality stainless steel blades, this Xylus grater ensures long-lasting sharpness and consistent performance. Enjoy smooth, precise results every time you prepare your favorite recipes. Covered Xylus grater. Thoughtfully designed in Switzerland, this cheese, chocolate, and nut grater comes with a reassuring 5-year guarantee. For best results and durability, hand washing is recommended. Xylus Kitchen Accessories. Trusted by both everyday home cooks and professional chefs, Xylus kitchen tools combine reliability, innovation, and user-friendly design, making them an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Number 2. Stainless steel slicer shredder attachment for KitchenAid mixers. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this stainless steel slicer shredder attachment, designed to transform your stand mixer into a powerful food prep machine. Premium all-stainless construction, built to last from rust-resistant, food-grade stainless steel, this durable attachment delivers consistent, professional results every time, far outperforming typical plastic alternatives. It's engineered for long-term reliability, making it your go-to tool for effortless and uniform grating. Effortless operation and cleaning. Simply attach it to your stand mixer and start shredding in seconds. Switching between blades is quick and easy, and all parts are dishwasher safe, ensuring hassle-free cleanup after every use. Time-efficient performance. Save valuable time in the kitchen. Chop a whole cabbage in just 30 seconds or grate enough cheese for multiple pizzas within minutes. It's perfect for preparing salads, slaws, and toppings quickly and efficiently. Universal fit for most stand mixers. Compatible with a wide range of stand mixers, including popular 5-quart and 6-quart models, this attachment ensures stable, wobble-free operation. Note: not manufactured by KitchenAid. Ergonomic food pusher. Designed for comfort and safety, the large pusher provides a secure grip while preventing hand strain. 3 interchangeable blades. Easily switch blades for slicing, shredding, or fine grating to suit any recipe. Number 1. Jotun Electric Cheese Grater. Upgrade your kitchen with the Jotun Electric Cheese Grater, designed to make food prep faster, easier, and more efficient. Upgraded in all aspects, this powerful appliance replaces manual slicers with simple one-button control, saving time and effort. Its enlarged inlet and outlet allow you to process bigger chunks of cheese and vegetables, reducing the need for pre-cutting. Make cooking easier with a robust 250W motor that can instantly slice, shred, chop, or grate a wide range of ingredients, from cheese and vegetables to nuts and chocolate. The 6-in-1 electric cheese grater includes 6 interchangeable stainless steel blades, giving you versatile options like fine shredding, slicing, grinding, and wave cutting for different recipes. Cleaning is hassle-free thanks to detachable, washable parts, while the base can be easily wiped clean. Built with high-quality materials, including durable stainless steel and BPA-free ABS plastic, this compact and reliable grater is perfect for safe, everyday use in any modern kitchen. That's it for today's video. I hope this list of the top 5 best cheese graters helped you find the perfect one for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest and useful product reviews like this. Also, let me know in the comments which cheese grater you like the most, or if you already use one, share your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy cooking.